Hello everyone. You're welcome in Forum IE's Prelims 2021 Test 2 Part 3 video. If you like this video then please like, share and subscribe this video. The credit of this video goes to Forum IES. In the last lecture, we have discussed up to question number 66. In this video, we will start from the question number of 67. Consider the following pairs of symbols used by sculptors to show Buddha and events from his life. Symbol, empty seat, stupa, wheel. Significance of meditation of the Buddha, Mahaparinibbana of the Buddha, first sermon of the Buddha. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? The correct answer of question number 67 is D. 1, 2, 3. All the options are correctly matched. The next question is question number 68. Consider the following statement with regard to Ashokan edicts and inscriptions. All Ashokan inscriptions were written in Prakrit language. Ashokan rock edicts are found only in the northern part of India. The message engraved on these inscriptions was virtually the same everywhere. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 68 is option D, only 3. The message engraved on the inscription was virtually the same everywhere. The next question is question number 69. Sangam text covers social evolution of Tamil people. In this context, which of the following statements given above are incorrect? They show that early Tamil people were primarily pastoral. They do not have any reference to trade and economic activities. The correct answer of question number 69 is B, 2 only. This is wrong. They do not have any reference to trade and economic activities. They show that early Tamil people were primarily pastoral. Sangam literature can be divided into two groups. One is narrative and one is deductive. The next question is question number 70. Recently, Chowkhandi Stupa has been declared of national importance by the ASI, Archaeological Survey of India. It is an ancient Buddhist stupa located in which of the following states? The correct answer of question number 70 is B, Uttar Pradesh. Chowkhandi Stupa is one of the important Buddhist stupa at Sarnath, UP. The next question is question number 71. Which of the following statement is correct with regard to Buddhism? The correct answer of question number 71 is D. Buddha proposes the path of moderation for human beings to rise above the worldly trouble. It is about following the path of moderation between severe penance and self-indulgence. Penance and self-indulgence, that human being can rise above those worldly troubles. The next question is question number 72. Consider the following statement regarding Islamic rule in India. The people who adopted Islam accepted giving zakat as one of the pillars of the faith. Ulama performed religious functions and refrained themselves from political affairs of the court. The correct answer of question number 72 is A, 1 only. The people who adopted Islam accepted giving zakat as one of the pillars of the faith. The next question is question number 73. With reference to the Amara Naika system, during the medieval period, consider the following statement. There were military commanders who were given territories to govern by Raya. It was a major political innovation of the Bahmani kingdom. Many features of this system resemble the Ikta system of Delhi Sultanate. The correct answer of question number 73 is C, 1 and 3 only. Statement 2 is incorrect because of Amara Naika system was a major political innovation of Vijayanagara Empire and not the Bahmani kingdom. The next question is question number 74. Consider the following statements with regard to Nayanar and Alvars. They belong to all castes including untouchables. They were sharply critical of the Buddhists and Jains. Songs of Nayanars were compiled in Divya Prabandham and songs of Alvar were compiled in Tevaram and Tiruvakam. Option number A, 1 and 2 only. The next question is question number 75. The cultural festival Kheer Bhavani Mela is celebrated annually in which of the following states? The correct answer of question number 75 is Jammu and Kashmir. The Kheer Bhavani Mela is one of the biggest religious function of Kashmiri Pandit. The next question is question number 76. With reference to Mughal rulers, consider the following statement. The Mughal court chronicles were written in Urdu. The Mahabharata was translated as the Rajnama. Persian became the language of administration at all levels. The correct answer of question number 76 is B, 2 and 3 only. The Mughal court chronicles were written in Persian, not in Urdu. The next question is question number 77. Consider the following statement. The Chola rulers supported the Brahmanical and Bhakti traditions. The Shiv temple at Gangai Konda Cholapuram was constructed under the patronage of Chola rulers. The correct answer of question number 77 is C. Both 1 and 2 is correct. Chola rulers from 9th to 13th century. The next question is question number 78. Which one of the following statement is not correct about Panchayat in the Mughal society? They were headed by a headman known as Muqaddam. They derived their funds from contributions made by individuals to a common financial pool. Headmen held office as long as they enjoyed the confidence of the village elders. Their decisions were not binding on the members. The correct answer of question number 78 is D. Their decisions were not binding on the members. The next question is question number 79. Consider the following pairs, book and associated with. The correct answer of question number 79 is B. 2 and 3 only. Shippa Abadi military and civil administration. Mulk Abadi is physical side of the empire. The first book Manzil Abadi. It is concerned the imperial household and its maintenance. Imperial household and its maintenance. The next question is question number 80. The Public Debt Management Cell PDMC is an office under the correct answer of question number 80 is A. Department of Economic Affairs. The next question is question number 81. In the region of the Mughal Empire, Aurangzeb, the term Jawabit denoted. The correct answer of question number 81 is B. A secular decree issued by the emperor. The next question is question number 82. With reference to the Mughal administration, consider the following statement. The Mansadari system was introduced by Mughal Emperor Babur. Sawar indicated the number of horsemen required to be maintained in the service by the Mansadar. The correct answer of question number 82 is B. 2 only. Sawar indicated the number of horsemen required to be maintained in service by the Mansadar. And the Mansadari system was introduced by Mughal Emperor Akbar, not Babur. The next question is question number 83. Consider the following statement. During the ancient times, the idea of devotion to a supreme god to attain salvation was never accepted by Buddhism and Jainism. Shiva and Vishnu were the only deities who were worshipped as the supreme god under Brahmanic religion. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 83 is D. Neither one, neither two. All the options are incorrect. The next question is question number 84. With reference to the Vijayanagara, consider the following statements. It was the natural basin formed by the river Tungabhadra. Its ruler gave full powers to the local authorities in the administration. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 84 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 85. With regard to ecologically sensitive areas, ESA, consider the following statements. They are notified under the Environment Protection Act 1986. They are located around protected area, national parks and wildlife sanctuary. The correct answer of question number 85 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 86. Which of the following class of traders specialized in carrying bulk goods during the Mughal period? The correct answer of question number 86 is A. Banjaras. During the Mughal period, Banjaras were specialized in carrying bulk goods. The next question is question number 87. Consider the following statement with regard to Delhi Sultanate. Delhi became the capital of kingdom for the first time under the Delhi Sultanate. The duty of muftis was to lead military campaigns and maintain law and order in their iqtas. The correct answer of question number 87 is B. 2 only. The duty of muftis was to lead campaigns and maintain laws and order in their iqtas. The next question is question number 88. Consider the following statement regarding agriculture during the Mughal period. Agriculture was largely rain-fed. Individual ownership of land was not known. The rulers encouraged production of commercial crops. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 88 is C. 1 and 3 only. Agriculture was largely rain-fed and the rulers encouraged production of commercial crops. The next question is question number 89. Consider the following statement. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat in 1526. Gunpowder technology for warfare was brought to India by Babur. The correct answer of question number 89 is A. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat in 1526. Babur used gunpowder technology for warfare is very effectively in first battle of Panipat in 1526, but the gunpowder technology was brought to India for warfare much before Babur in 40th century. The next question is question number 90. With regard to the Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee GEAC, consider the following statement. It is chaired by the Union Ministry for Science and Technology. It is responsible for appraisal of activities involving large-scale use of hazardous microorganisms. The correct answer of question number 90 is B. 2 only. GEAC, it is chaired by the Union Ministry, Special Secretary or Additional Secretary of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The next question is question number 91. Consider the following pairs: Neolithic sites and present day state. Burjahom, Chiran, Koldihawa, Mahagara. The present day states are Gujarat, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Which of the pairs given above is are correctly matched? The correct answer of question number 91 is B. Only 2 and 4 is correctly matched. Burjahom is present day in Kashmir. Chiran is in Bihar. Kolidhwa is in Uttar Pradesh, not Andhra Pradesh. Mahagara is in Uttar Pradesh. The next question is question number 92. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? Incorrect regarding India's ancient history. The correct answer of question number 92 is B. Manuscript dealt with religious beliefs and practices. The correct answer of question number 92 is B. Because in this we have to know incorrect answer. This is the incorrect. Manuscript dealt with only religious beliefs and practices. The next question is question number 93. Arrange the visits of the following travelers to India in a chronological order: Peter Munde, Duarte Barbosa, Antonio Monserrato, and Marco Polo. The correct answer of question number 93 is B. 4, 2, 3, 1. Marco Polo visit to India in 1254 to 1323. Duarte Barbosa is in 1518. Antonio Monserrato is in 1536 to 1600. And Peter Munde is in 1600 to 1667. The next question is question number 94. Which of the following were temple towns during the medieval times? Somnath, Kanchipuram, Tirupati. The correct answer of question number 94 is A. Somnath, Kanchipuram, Tirupati. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 95. The Sustainable Livelihoods and Adaptation to Climate Change SLACC program was launched by. The correct answer of question number 95 is B. National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. The next question is question number 96. Consider the following pairs of medieval towns or cities and their locations: Thanjavur, Hampi, Masulipatanam, Kaveri River, Krishna Tungabhadra Basin, and Delta of Godavari River. The correct answer of question number 96 is A. 1 and 2 only. Thanjavur in Kaveri River, Hampi is in Krishna Tungabhadra Basin, and the Masulipatanam lay on Delta of Krishna River, not Godavari River. The next question is question number 97. Consider the following pairs of officers during the reign of Akbar and their functions: Subadar, Diwan, Mir Bakshi. Sadar, Governance of a Province, Financial Officer, Head of the Military Department, Town Police Commander. The correct answer of question number 97 is A. 1, 2 and 3 only. All the pairs are correctly matched. The minister in charge of religious and charitable patronage was called Sadar. Sadar is minister in charge of religious and charitable patronage. The next question is question number 98. Consider the following statement. Rigved includes many hymns called Sukta. The battle during Rigvedic period were fought for cattle, land, water and to capture people. Samveda contains charms and skill to ward off evils and diseases. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? The correct answer of question number 98 is C. 3 only. Only 3 is incorrect. 1 and 2 is correct. The next question is question number 99. Consider the following statement. Milkiyat lands were cultivated for the private use of zamindars. The buying and selling of zamindaris accelerated the process of monetization in the countryside. Most zamindars had armed contingents comprising units of cavalry, artillery and infantry. Which of these statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 99 is 1, 2 and 3. D. All the options are correct. The next question and the last question of this video is question number 100. With reference to the Banking Codes and Standard Board of India, consider the following statement. It is a registered society under the Society Registration Act 1860. It functions as an independent and autonomous body. It focuses on achieving higher operating standard and increasing transparency in the banking system. The correct answer of question number 100 is D. 1, 2 and 3. Okay guys, this is the last question of this video. In the next video we will discuss another test. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe this Optimistic Aspirants channel. Thank you so much.